Leo, guys. Today we'll be making abood shake. So, welcome to the first ever part. This is the first time I've done a. This is actually like the first ever second time that I've made a video of me making something.
Please excuse the kitchen.
That I'm going to do more than once. So that's cool. That's a good thing. Hey guys, look, ice cream just magically appeared over there. It's cool. So, we're gonna take a spoon and add some to the blender. Just a spoonful. Graham, do I use all of it since there's no room in the freezer?
Start out. Maybe you can make 2 different recipes. Like use half and then use another half. The raspberries are on top, and then I'll have to help you get down to the strawberries.
Yeah. Okay.
So I do have more strawberries.
Alright. That's as much. I'd say that's enough.
Okay. How many raspberries you want to use?
Okay, so
That's not exactly half, but
let's put like a few, like 2. Let's use like a few handfuls, I guess. And I already see the strawberries. So let's get the
raspberries are usually pretty tart. Do you want some sugar?
yeah. And we also have to add like food coloring to replicate like the blood red like the. I don't know what that mama had brewing. What did that mama have brewing? I don't know.
One big spicy strawberry.
One big spicy meatball.
What else is going on there?
I believe like a red food coloring since we're going for blood red basically. Everybody says that it looks like blood. like everybody in his comments said it looked like blood, so we obviously got to replicate the blood red color. You know? That moment when you. This does look good, guys. This does look good.
No taste, right?
Yeah, definitely not any taste. I don't know why we would include some with taste.
Serious.
Yeah, those bottles suck.
They do. So much. Alrighty.
Look, it's making the water red. It looks like blood. It looks like water mixed with blood. You can see like it's like particles and stuff. Alright.
Okay, hold on. You didn't take the stem thing off? Alright. You know
Yeah,
what?
they have their stems off already.
I know, but the gross bottom part of that one? Alright. You do you.
To you guys, these must look like the magic hands once again, like I said in part 1. But that's just my Graham. Say hi, Graham.
Hola. Blood red.
Yes. It looks like I'm actually putting blood in the blender.
This is all I have left of the no taste red. So hopefully it is enough.
Oh dang, that's crazy.
Please really make sure that is covered well.
Oh, yeah. Now, we gotta say, I think we should go ice crush.
No, blend.
Oh, blend.
Good color.
Definitely good.
Whoa.
Okay, there's still like, a little bit of, stuff.
What do you mean? You see stuff?
Yeah, Oh, yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, yeah, of course. Look at that bubble at the top of the center. Is that normal when you're making a shake? Is that normal?
Yeah. You just have a lot of stuff in here, that's all. Let's smell. Ooh. It's very strawberry forward. Oh my.
All right, Abood. Your shake. Let's try it.
I'll try some too.
Oh, dang, that's actually pretty good, Abood. You made a good thing, actually. You actually made a good thing.
That's delicious.
That's actually really good. Not gonna lie.